Hello and welcome to this quick demo that shows you how to ship an order directly from the orders page. Before I start working with individual orders, I want to make sure I have a large enough postage balance. With U.S. Postal Service shipments, payment in advance is required, so I'll head over to the Postage and Carriers page to verify that I am ready to ship. My balance is zero, so I can fix that by quickly funding $50 worth of postage. A single charge for $50 will end up on my credit card. One other important thing to note while we're here. I can avoid this step in the future by having ShippingEasy automatically add to my postage balance for me. All I have to do is check this box. When you enable this option, you will automatically add $100 to your balance each time your balance drops below $25. Now that I'm set on postage, I'll go back to the orders page. The filters on the left side of the page provide many options for narrowing down the list of orders that is displayed. I'm going to work with just domestic orders by selecting Domestic from the Destination filter. The order I want to ship is 1101, and it does not yet have a weight. If the order you want to ship already has the correct weight, or if you are using a flat rate service, then you can save yourself a step here. However, the weight is needed and was not provided when this order was added to ShippingEasy, so I can edit the weight quickly and easily. Each order has an action menu that you access by clicking this button. And since I want to set the weight, now I can easily set that weight and save. And then on that order that I want to ship, I'll click the Actions menu again. Under the Quick Ship menu, ShippingEasy has already built in the most popular domestic USPS service and packaging combinations. My shipment weighs more than 1 pound, so it will need to be sent priority mail. All I have to do is click the entry I want, and the label gets purchased. To see the new shipping label and print it out, I'll head over to the Ready to Print page. The list of purchased labels contains the shipping label for the order I selected. Now I just click the green Print button, and ShippingEasy displays the label in a new tab. I can use my browser to then send that label to my printer. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.